What's up everybody? Today's video is going to be about installing the MISHIMOTO radiator fan, and hoses. So it looks like the big box is the radiator. Yeah, really nice. Oh yeah, now it's coming out way better. Oh. Yep, that just went all over my shirt. Alright, so now I'm gonna disconnect this hose. Alright. So now pull this out. That'll give us a little bit of extra room. There we go. Got that out finally. These little magnets right here come in real handy. So since I don't plan on reusing this, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off with a razor blade. There we go. That did not want to come off of there. So I had to go to the store and get some new hose clamps because these stock ones right here, they will not fit on the new hoses, especially once it goes over this. Yeah, it just won't fit. So I got some new ones, hopefully they fit. Ooh, that looks crusty. This clips into these on the bottom right here. So that seems to be the trick. Gotta dive this side in right here first, get underneath this bracket right here, and then you can lower it down. Alright guys, so the problem I'm having is these grommets that go into the bottom of the radiator, that go into the bottom support. Those little dowels or whatever that stick out of the bottom of the radiator go into this, and then this goes on the top of the support. And with that, it's just way too high. It won't fit in here right. So the only thing I could think of is to cut this down so that it'll sit down a little bit lower, because I think that'll give me the perfect amount that I need. Alright, so the wire cutters weren't really getting it down as low as I needed, but see, this is what I got here. Got that because right now when it sits down in the support, it's sitting up here like that, and I just don't have enough clearance on the top of it like that. So I figure if I just take this off, make it like this one, it'll sit perfect. Okay, so let's try this again. Yep, that goes right there. Yep, I think this is gonna work. Right here. Oh yeah, I had this down below on these two. I was just kind of messing around on that because I was trying to figure out what those were for. But I'm still not really sure. It doesn't seem like it's connected to this because I put it on there and blew in it with this hose just to see what happened. And I could feel the air come out of this. So I'm thinking maybe this is for something else that you can add on. I'm not really sure. Hopefully it's not going to leak out when I start putting the fluid in, but I guess we'll find out. It seems like it's sitting to one side more than the other. See right here, it's sticking kind of out on the side, and then over here it's in a little bit, and these tabs were not wanting to line up at all either. And see how this screws over to one side on both of these, and then I'll show you on the bottom why it's doing this. See right here, it's hitting, and I actually had to grind this down a little bit on this tab right here, I'll show you with the grinder, but so that I can move the whole thing over to the left. All right, so this is what I'm doing. I'm grinding this down right here, and this one, I think I already took off enough off of this one though. So mainly I just need to take off more on this one right here, so that I can shift the whole thing over like that. Yeah, I think that's the one right there. You need to remove this bleeder valve that's right here. Take that out right there, and then you need to fill this up really, really slowly until you see some start to come up in there. Okay, now it's coming out. See, it started pouring out right there. Put the cap back on. There's some air coming out. Oh, yep, that went down a little bit too. So now that it's coming out, I'm gonna close that. Before, when it was at idle, it was really cold. And if I started to rev it up, it would get warm, but as soon as I let go of it, I could tell it was getting cold again. So it looks like opening up that bleeder valve while it's running helped push out all the air that was stuck in there.